everyone, welcome to Sofi Does It. Wait, I dropped my napkin. Look at them. Today we're making peanut butter and jelly. Here we go. We're going to use some bread, a butter knife, but make sure you ask your parents first. Some peanut butter, and we need jam. First, you put peanut butter on one piece of bread, and you're gonna clean the butter knife from the peanut butter. Yummy. Not over my hand. Oh my God, this looks so delicious. I didn't grab enough. Jelly is going to go there. Now we're gonna take probably the peanut butter. Voila! Here's our sandwich. Now let's taste it first. What's our Today we use jelly. We can use jelly, jam, honey, or my personal favorite, chocolate. That's how you make your peanut butter jelly sandwich. Thanks for watching Sofi Does It.